Hi! Today is a valuation day. We are gonna go through our build and tell you what we like the most about it.
We've been traveling with Eddie for more than 2 years already, and these are the top 10 things we would probably do the same if we built another van for us.
Let's go!
Number 10. And the first one today is our shoe rack with the doormat by the entrance. We don't walk with our shoes inside because we don't want to scratch the floor or make it dry, make it wet. We want to have it dry. It's also great because we do a lot of sport, so we can have our sporting shoes just on hand.
Number 9. Our very big fridge. 87-liter fridge with 9-liter freezer, which can hold food for, I would say, entire week. It's not one of those fancy motorhome fridges, it's one of the cheapest normal ones, hooked to 230 volts, and it works perfectly for us, so we are very happy with it, and because of that it's number 9.
Number 8 is our trash system. It's here under the bed by the inner entrance to the garage. We have here 2 bins, one for plastic and the other one for paper. It's pretty interesting how little of the mixed waste we produce when we separate the organic waste. By the bins there's also enough space for Tetra Paks, glass bottles, or even for the oil from the frying.
Number 7. It's actually the small things that makes the interior more cozy and more livable, and this guy here, this flexible faucet, is one of them. It comes very handy because when we, for example, want to fill up bottles, we can make bigger space here. If we want to wash our hands, we can put it down and not splash everything around. And we can also attach a shower to it. If we unscrew this one with another reduction, we can attach a hose to it and we can take a shower outside the van. Yeah, that's what we like about it.
Number 6, which is for me personally number 1, is this really huge garage. On the left side it can take up to 6 bikes, which are in here right now, and on the right side there is still enough space for more spare parts and other stuff we need or we might need during our travels. The volume is 3.2 cubic meters, which is 3200 liters, and is the same like 5 trunks of Škoda Octavia Combi or 2 Škodas Octavia Combis without the rear seats. This was also one of the main requirements for our build.
Number 5 is the layout of the van. It's something we were thinking a lot about, and I think we did it right. There is enough space for basically everything we do or need, maybe even for something we don't need that much. And it's perfect for us because, for example, when one of us is working, the other can cook or take a walk around or whatever he wants. But that's something we wouldn't change.
Number 4 is the number of legal seats in this van, which is also 4. When we bought the van, it has 3 seats, one driver seat and double passenger seat. But we decided to change the driver seat for the single seat, which we bought in Poland because there weren't any in the Czech Republic. And then we added these seats with seat belts, so now Eddie can take 4 people with their bikes and everything for a pretty good trip.
Number 3 is hot water. Hot shower is something we appreciate a lot after a long day on bike, and now we have 10-liter electric water heater And it's enough for us to take a shower, both, and do the dishes. We didn't have hot water before, so it's something we are loving now.
Number 2, guest beds. Apart from our double bed, we have 4 additional guest beds. One of them is under the fridge with head in the shower tray. Another one is where I'm lying right now, which is made out of these 2 seats. Another one is here on the floor by the kitchen. It's really narrow, but it's possible. And the last one, you guessed it, is in the hammock, which can be attached to the ceiling. With this, Eddie can accommodate up to 6 people, but it's much more convenient to sleep here in 4.
Number 1, enough space for working. We are very happy about that. The build turned out in the way we have like enough seats where we can work. We can change them if we don't want to be on the sun, or if we want to be on the sun. We can sit wherever in the car. We have actually 5 seats or 5 places where to work. We have this standing one, which was not even an intention to do. It kind of came up. I can stand here, or I can sit on the bed and work also on the fridge. Then we have the passenger seats with the table and my seat with the table. And then we also have a swivel seat of the passenger. So that's also a place where it's very nice to work. That's it. These are the things we love the most about our van. I guess we could go on, but 10 is 10. And next time we'll go through things we would do differently, or we would change, or we would never build again. So stay tuned.
Adios.
Adios.